Do you want to learn how to make the letter N with these beautiful roundel beads? Well, I'll teach you how to do it after the jingle. Hi guys, and welcome back to this new tutorial. In this tutorial I will teach you how to make a cute N like the other letters I'm going to show you, and for this tutorial I'm going to use the supplies I received from PandaHall. These rondel beads are absolutely wonderful, and I'm going to use these 3 mm for 2 mm rondel beads in the color deep sky blue. If you want to take a look at all the supplies I got from PandaHall, you can watch the previous unboxing video, and I will link it in the description below. We'll also need a number 12 needle. I'm going to use this one, and fire line thread size 0.15 millimeters, and the color is smoke. Then we'll also need other supplies such as 11O seed beads. I'm going to use PF 557 by Toe. You can find so many colors of seed beads on the PandaHall website too. Then I'm going to use some jump rings. Then I'm going to use these open jump rings, and these are stainless steel jump rings. The size is 4 millimeter for 0.6 millimeter, and the inner diameter is 2.5 millimeter, and the bag contains 1,500 jump rings. Then I'm using also these bails. They are stainless steel bails, and you will find the links to the supplies in the description below. And I'm using these bails to hang the pendant to the chain. The chain is this one. I'm using a size 1.5 millimeter chain, and PandaHall sent me this beautiful necklace. It is already completed, and you don't need to add anything, but I will also add some jump rings at the end of the necklace. This is the code, and now I'm going to add the bail to the necklace. It is very simple. Just pick up one bail and pass the necklace through the hole in this way. Then I'm going to close the clasp, and our necklace is almost completed. Now we are ready to start our N pendant. The first step we have to do is to pick up 4 rondel beads and bring them at the end of the thread. As always, then pass through the first rondel bead and pull the thread in this way. Then pass through all the beads to reinforce the work and make it stronger. As you can see, the thread exits the right bead downwards. Pick up 3 rondel beads and pass through the same rondel bead from the top to the bottom and pull the thread. Then pass through the next rondel bead from the left to the right, and the next rondel bead on the side. The thread exits topwards. Pick up 3 rondel beads and pass through the same rondel bead from the bottom to the top in this way. Then pass through the next rondel bead, pull the thread, and the side rondel bead. We have just made 3 modules, As you can see, you can count each module, counting the middle bead of each module, 1, 2, 3, and we have to make 6 modules to start our N. Pick up 3 rondel beads and repeat the same step. And now we have to add 2 more modules and finish our right angle weave stripe. As you can see, I have just made 5 modules. Now I'm going to make the 6th module in this way. Then I pass through the whole sequence, the last sequence, in this way without adding any rondel bead to reinforce it. And now pass again through the side rondel bead in this way. So we have to start from this bead to build the oblique line of the N, and we have built 6 modules, as you can see. And now pick up 2 rondel beads, and we will start from this bead to build the oblique line. So pick up 2 rondel beads and pass through the same bead from the bottom to the top and pull the thread. Set them in place in this way, then pass through the next rondel bead in this way, the bottom rondel bead and the next side rondel bead on the left in this way, and pull the thread. Then pick up 2 rondel beads and pass through the bottom rondel bead and the side rondel bead again in this way. Pull the thread, then pass through the bottom rondel bead of the new module, pull the thread, and now we are ready to build the other modules with 3 rondel beads. So pick up 3 rondel beads and pass through the bottom bead, then pass through the right bead and the bottom bead, and we are ready to make the other module. Pick up 3 rondel beads and pass through the middle bead again, then pass through the left rondel bead and the middle bead, and again pick up 3 rondel beads and pass through the middle bead from the left to the right, pass through the right rondel bead and the middle bead again. Pick up again 3 rondel beads and pass through the middle bead, pull the thread, pass through the left rondel bead and the middle bead again. We have built 6 modules for the oblique line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now pick up 2 rondel beads, and we have to make the right side of the N and pass through the middle bead, pull the thread, and now pass through the next rondel bead and we are going to make a side module to build our right part of the N. So pick up 3 roundel beads and pass through the left roundel bead. Pull the thread, pass through the bottom bead, the right bead and the top bead. Then pass through the left bead, pick up 2 roundel beads and pass through the bottom and the left bead again to build the second module. Pass through the next middle bead in this way, and now we are ready to make our modules of 3 rounded beads to make the other part of the N on the right side, on the top side of the N. Pick up 3 rounded beads and pass through the top rounded bead, pull the thread, then pass through the next roundel bead and the top bead again. Pick up 3 roundel beads and repeat the same steps. Pass through the next roundel bead and the middle roundel bead. And again we have to make 2 more modules, this one and the last one. Once we have finished the structure of our N, we are ready to work with the 11 seed beads. And now we have to fill all the empty spaces with 11 seed beads. I'm using these gold 11 seed beads because I love the combo of the color dark sky blue with gold. So now pick up 1 11 seed bead and pass through the next roundel bead. In this way we are going to fill all the empty spaces to make the N stronger and to define the perimeter of the letter. We have to add 1 11 seed bead in each empty space except in the corners, and I will show you how to make these steps. As you can see, I have filled the left side of our N and go on in this way. Now pass directly into the roundel bead in the middle of the other side and then through the top roundel bead. Pick up again other 11 seed beads and fill all the spaces, and now we are in the inner corner, so pass directly into the middle roundel beads in this way and pull the thread. Then pass through the top roundel bead, the next roundel bead, this one, and then pass through the next roundel bead. Then pick up again one 11/0 and pass through the other rounded beads in this way. So you have to skip only the internal corners of the end, the top corner on the left and the down corner on the right. Now fill the empty spaces with more 11/0 seed beads, and then we are going to pass again the needle and the thread through the whole letter to make it stronger, and at the end of this video I will show you how to make the necklace with this cute pendant. Once we have finished to fill all the empty spaces with the 11/0 seed beads, I recommend you to pass the thread through all the perimeter of the letter. You can make this step with fireline thread size 0.15 millimeters, the thread we are using, or you can close the work and use monofilament thread size 0.15 millimeters. With this size of thread and with this kind of thread, you are going to make the letter stronger and stiff. Once we have done all these steps, we are ready to cut the thread and join the letter to the veil we have previously added to the necklace. So in this moment I'm going to use a jump ring and pass through the side 11/0 seed bead. In this way I'm going to slightly open the jump ring, pass through the side 11/0 seed bead and add the veil to this ring and close the jump ring. And as you can see, our necklace is almost ready. The latest step I'm going to make is to add some jump rings to the final part of the necklace to make it more adjustable. So I'm going to add some jump rings in this way and close them with the pliers. And then our necklace with the N letter is finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to PandaHall for the supplies needed for this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. In this way you are not missing any of my tutorials. Please share the video with your friends, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.